again, I'm Boo Boo. First, I need some soap. Soap, please.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, for this, I need some soap. For my washing machine. And that's what it looks like inside of the washing machine. And I need soap.
You want it in the washing machine now? There you go.
A lot of soap in there. I could use this.
I'll make you some more if you need some more.
Wait 1 second. I need to open this for a second. A little too much soap in here. Oh
Want some out?
no! Phew, that was close.
Too much?
A
A little bit more. More?
that looks good.
Okay, good.
Ow, no! Not my washing machine. Save it. Oh no. It's gonna be a surprise when I see this. Oh no. No, soap.
I'll put some more in there. There, it won't slip out some.
Oh, now it's on the towel. And my soap. Okay, that might be enough.
Yep.
Close the door. Okay, let's turn it on. How do you turn this one on? You hit that button right there. Now, I want to put it on warm, then which button? I'm going to start it. Okay, it's running right now. If you open the door, the cycle won't finish, so you don't want to do that. And I forgot to tell you, we also have a dryer here. Oh, the washing machine's done. I'm gonna rinse it out.
Well, that's a very way to rinse it out.
Oh. No soap. Let's rinse it out. Okay, no soap. Oh, it is bubbly inside. I'm gonna get the bubbles out. Now let's see. All the bubbles are out. Nope, still in there. Kind of scares me. Still there. Nearly there. Okay. Oh no. Nearly there. Yeah, I got it. I am wet. We got all the bubbles out. Okay, and I'll show you how the dryer works.
Marker.
Dryer, spinning. Now I'm going to turn it off. Thanks for watching. I hope you see some more Boo Boo's videos on my channel.